Day by day current affairs 28/01/2021. Pakistan to start vaccination next week, says Minister. The government will start vaccinating frontline health workers next week, while the general population in the age group of 65 and above will receive their shots from March. Rs 500 million uplift grant for each lawmaker okayed. The decision was taken in a meeting of the parliamentary party of the ruling alliance led by the PTI at the Parliament House on January 27, 2021. Japan to provide $4.57 million grant to help procure polio vaccine. The Japanese government has announced a new grant assistance of $4.57 million to procure essential oral polio vaccine as part of its continued support to Pakistan for polio eradication. Pakistan pledges $25,000 for UN Peacekeeping Fund. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi on January 27, 2021 reiterated support for the United Nations peacekeeping and peace building efforts and called for addressing the root causes of conflicts for ensuring sustainable peace. KP to hold local body polls on September 15. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa cabinet on January 27, 2021 decided that the local body elections in the province would be held on September 15 this year. Pakistan gets GI tag for Basmati. Pakistan on January 26, 2021 received the geographical indicator GI tag for its Basmati, paving the way for creating a local registry for this particular strain of rice and making a case in the world markets for its protection as a Pakistani product. Work begins on Kasa 1000 power transmission line. Pakistan launched construction work on the Torkham to Nusheira portion of the $1.17 billion Central Asia South Asia Regional Trade and Transmission Project Kasa 1000 on January 27, 2021. Russian MPs vote for extensions of treaty with US. Russian President Vladimir Putin said on January 27, 2021, the extension of a key nuclear pact was a positive development in reducing global tensions, as lawmakers unanimously voted to ratify the agreement to prolong New START in a rare moment of cooperation between Moscow and Washington. Malaysian court releases PIA'S grounded plane. A Malaysian court has ordered immediate release of a Pakistani international airline plane that had been seized nearly 2 weeks ago by authorities over a London court case about the jet's lease after the applicant, Peregrine Aviation Charlie Limited, agreed to withdraw its suit against PIA Corporation. Rs 115.2 million for Abbottabad Stadium approved. After a 10-year struggle made by veteran hockey players, the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa finally approved Rs 115.21 million for the reconstruction of the Abbottabad Hockey Stadium.